everyone, I'm Pavi from Pabs kitchen. Today we are making a festive looking sauce which is caramelized strawberry with apple sauce. You know this is not a dish I cook often in my channel, but when I made it for my Christmas dinner, it was so delicious. So I couldn't stay without sharing it. I hope you will like it. Let's begin. The ingredients for this recipe are here. Check it out in the description box below for the quantity and link to my website for the full recipe. First, we need a pan. Turn on the gas on a medium-low. Add sugar like this and shake the pan to spread sugar evenly. Next, add 2 star anise, 2 small sticks of cinnamon, and the rest I am going to keep it to decorate. And 3 cardamom pods. Break it and add in. Now let sugar caramelize slowly with all these aromatic spices. Meanwhile, let's prepare the half kilo of strawberries. Clean it. Remove the top with grain like this. And dice it into 1-inch square cubes. It doesn't have to be really perfect. Next, our caramel is going well. At this right moment, don't use any ladle or spatula. Just shake it lightly to melt the sugar evenly. Control the heat because everyone's heat is different. We just don't want to burn. A tip to make perfect caramel: do not touch the sugar while it is being caramelizing in medium or medium-low heat. Now caramel is done. It took around 6 minutes. Add in diced strawberries and shake it like this and let them soften. Next, I am using a big size apple. Wash and peel. Remove the core of it and dice in small cubes like this. Now let's go back to the sauce. Took around 6 minutes. Strawberry seems soft and the caramel dissolved with the strawberry juice. Now add in the diced apple and you can use spatula to mix well to combine. Let it soften. After the apple seems half soft or around 4 minutes, add 1 medium size of orange zest and all juice from it, around 5 to 6 tablespoons. Mix all well and let it cook for a minute or two. Now it's time for my secret ingredient. 100 ml of Porto Wine. Add in. It brings up the flavor as well as make it look richer. Mix well to combine and let it thicken a bit. Look at the color. Gorgeous. Here, if you need it, you can turn heat up to medium. But control the heat, okay? We don't want to burn it. Now go ahead and add a touch of salt and pepper. You might feel strange, but it really helps to enhance the flavor. Yes, I'm right. Trust me and do it, okay? Mix well to combine and let it thicken a little bit. Oh my god, it smells so good. So much aroma from those spices. This is the consistency I want. So now we are done. Remember, apple needs to be soft but doesn't have to be too liquid. I love still a little chunks of soft apple in this sauce. Now let's transfer to serving bowl. Looks amazing. I love to decorate with cinnamon sticks. You can decorate with little bit lemon zest. You can sprinkle on it. Looks so rich and look at the color. Amazing. I'm going to taste just the sauce. So rich with so much flavor. This sauce is great for festival or family gathering meal. Or of course you can make it in whenever you like and eat with grill and roasted dish. Going to be amazing. Actually, I ate it with my Christmas dinner, stuffed turkey leg. I posted this video. If you haven't watched it, click here to watch it, okay? You can make this sauce in advance and keep in the fridge up to 5 days. Bring to room temperature before serving. Then enjoy! So today we make rich and cozy sauce, caramelized strawberry with apple sauce that really invites you to your dining table. That's all for now. I hope you like it, and don't forget to click subscribe for more delicious recipes. Give a like if you enjoy this video, and check out the link to my website for amazing recipes in the description below. Thank you so much for watching today, and goodbye.